The TÜV Rheinland auditor is here to inspect our facility. I'm personally taking you through Shanpu's facility. Many people ask, what's a factory audit? Simply put, the TÜV Rheinland sends auditors on site to verify. Do you own your factory? What's your production capability? How strict is your quality control? Are you a real manufacturer, not just a trader? This is our production floor. 16 years, process engineering all concentrated here. From PCB SMT to full unit assembly. Key equipment, all imported. Processes, all self-developed. Why? Because we believe core processes must be controlled in-house. That's the only way to guarantee quality. This is our aging test facility. Every single power supply before it ships will run continuously here for our 24 to 72 hours, simulating real-world operating conditions. If it doesn't pass the test, it doesn't ship, period. This is our finished goods warehouse. Products shipped to markets worldwide. TÜV Rheinland audited us. We passed with flying colors. Because Shanpu's confidence, it's built on 16 years. Every unit tested, every unit inspected. Shanpu Power 16 years, the global market validation. Follow me to learn the power industry inside out.